The silica levels look acceptable on this batch.
Confirmed. The soda ash purity is within tolerance according to the scanner. Let's review the limestone.
Before melting, silica sand and minerals are blended with exact precision to produce consistent industrial glass.
At extreme temperatures, sand melts into molten industrial glass, ready for shaping and forming.
We're seeing a slight rise above the set point here.
Yes, I'll make the adjustment to the flow rate now.
Once melted, molten glass is divided and guided into molds, where shaping begins with extreme accuracy.
Careful forming and controlled cooling give industrial glass its strength, clarity, and structural integrity.
Annealing slowly cools the glass, removing internal stress and preventing cracks. The automated optical inspection systems meticulously scan each panel for imperfections, ensuring flawless quality. After cooling, industrial glass is cut to exact dimensions for construction, automotive, and manufacturing use.
Advanced inspection ensures every industrial glass panel meets strict quality and safety standards.
Approved glass panels continue to packaging, ready for global distribution. From sand to finished glass, millions of tons are shipped worldwide to power modern industries.
Ready on 3. 1, 2, lift. Got it. Watch the bottom right. Clear. Okay, set it down slowly.
Behind every pane of glass is precision, teamwork, and industrial expertise.
What begins as simple sand becomes one of the most essential materials in the modern world.
Subscribe to see how the world's largest factories transform raw materials into everyday essentials.
Looks good to me. Approved.
Send it through.
Each batch of industrial glass is tested for strength, durability, and resistance before approval.
Recycled glass reduces waste and energy, becoming part of the next production cycle.
Only glass that meets strict global standards moves forward for delivery.
The silica feed looks consistent. Quality control is green across the board.
Excellent. Let's maintain this output.
Precise furnace control is critical to maintaining consistent industrial glass quality.
Should hold steady there.
Right, the flow is normalizing. Right.
Bricks look stable at the lower flux line.
The thermal readings confirm the cool down rate. We are clear.
Check the throat before we proceed.
Large-scale glass factories operate around the clock to meet global demand.
This section is showing a critical temperature spike.
I see it. The anomaly started about 2 minutes ago.
We should schedule an immediate inspection of that burner.
Strict safety procedures protect workers in high-temperature glass production environments.
Automation ensures speed and precision, while human oversight maintains safety and quality.
Easy now, align with the markers.
Markers aligned, initiating suction release. Clear.
Precise tracking ensures every glass panel reaches its destination safely. Every movement is synchronized to keep millions of tons of glass flowing efficiently.
From fine silica sand to the intense heat of the furnace, the process culminates in these perfectly clear, finished glass panels.
From a single factory, industrial glass reaches construction sites, vehicles, and cities around the world. These panoramic views are made possible by advanced industrial glass, transforming simple sand into towering transparency. This is the result of precision engineering, teamwork, and decades of industrial expertise.
Subscribe to explore how the world's largest factories turn raw materials into everyday essentials. What begins as ordinary sand becomes one of the most important materials shaping modern life.
Look at the clarity on that edge, yeah?
Absolutely flawless. 30 years and I rarely see a panel this clean.